Today, I am excited to show you this excellent home in the established neighborhood of Estacado. You will want to examine it for yourself.
Wonderful 3-bedroom home in Estacado, boasting approximately 1,775 square feet. This 2-story townhome has so much to offer with an awesome open floor plan. The great entry leads into the large open living area with a cozy wood-burning fireplace. There's good storage in the kitchen with a great backsplash. The dining area is spacious for a large table. The primary bedroom is isolated with its own full bath. Rooms are good sized. There's a patio area and not a lot of yard to worry about mowing in the back. Take a peek at this one.
You will be enthusiastic about this Estacado home because it is easy to entertain here. I'm encouraging you to call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.